thank you, Georgina, because when she came to volunteer, it's one of those things that if she could bring her son that's sick to volunteer, then I could do more than that, right? So that's a family that has inspired me. Her son inspired me to do more and more and more, because when they tell you can't do something, you better fucking do it, right? So thank you so much. I love you guys. There's a couple of families here that have been coming here every time we do this, and that is the most important thing for me. I said it before. The Rocha family has been here. Every time we do this, the Rocha family is here with the two little girls. So give them a round of applause. They're all there. They can hear us, yeah. So they've been here, and all the families that are here, give yourself a round of applause. Anita, everyone that was here the first day, I didn't know if you knew, but me and my friend Tito were shitting in our pants when we were driving over here. What's going to happen? I don't know. Someone's going to be mean to us, and we went ahead and did it, right? So no, it happened, and we kept on going. So it's just getting bigger and better. I can't introduce everybody all together, so turn to your right and say hi to the person on your right. Introduce yourself. Hi. Turn to your left and say hi to the person on your left.
I got cupcake on my hand. Sorry, I'm Monique.
We have the main guy here, Joe from Joe Sportswear. Don't buy any sports stuff until you go to his store. We have our first driver ever, Mr. Paul. My great supporter and friend Sonia. The only difference is that she's not wearing clown makeup, but she does exactly everything I do. My friend Tito, who pushed me and pushed me and pushed me. And all of you that have been here for the first time, my good friend Ariana, who got her schedule turned around and she finally made it. And guys, the next event will be in the last Sunday of January. So it's January 24th. And what? Thank you. No. I'm only good if I'm around good people, right? Absolutely. And my friend over here, Lisa Boo, knows firsthand what it is to be. Can I say it? Absolutely. She knows firsthand what it is to be out here in the streets. She was once a citizen of this community, and now she's giving back. So let's give her a round of applause. I gotta say, the one thing I learned from Lisa that I learned from everybody, but she pointed out that when you give something, you can't be judgmental of who's getting it, because you never know why a person is wearing Guess jeans. Maybe Guess came and gave out jeans to everybody. You know what I mean? So you can't really judge who you're giving it to or what they're going to do with it. Because if you think about what they're going to do with it, then it kills the whole purpose of giving. So if I give a pair of Jordans, I'm going to make sure it's going to go to the guy that fits them, not to the guy that just wants to grab them. That's why I said only one pair of Jordans per person. So I learn more and more as I come here, because I'm still learning. I learned that people in this community, you know, they're just like us, and if I could make a hurricane happen around here so the whole country could help this area, I would, but I can't. So that's just my way of thinking, and I want to thank you guys again. We have to take the shoes back, so let's put the shoes on boxes. Whoever wants to volunteer, we could drop them off at a Goodwill. So everyone, give yourself a round of applause. If there's anybody that wants to come up here and say something, the stage is yours, guys. Come over here. Come over here.
We're doing the blankets next weekend. It's only going to be a few of us because we have not that many blankets to give, and it's at nighttime. But I have these little cards that I made. If anybody wants to write a note, they will be put in the blanket, so the people that receives it have the encouraging words from you guys.
You gotta come over here.
No, I'm fine.
We got Dorian's mom. Tell us.
No. I just since you always tend to put yourself and Sonia a lot on the back burner, I want to thank you personally, and I'm sure everybody kind of does. So everybody has the opportunity to say something. I'm sure they would. But thank you guys so much, because just like you learned from me, and you've been posting on Dorian's damn Facebook, and I'm like, God, stop! But now I can say it to your face. Thank you very much, because just as much as we've inspired, or my son inspired me, you guys have forced us to our benefit to come on here. Honestly, I was a judgmental type, and I'd be driving around making my comments, and this completely changed my attitude on a lot of things. So appreciate what you and Sonia do constantly, because Sonia is very much involved with pediatric cancer organization called Padres too, and so is Hiccups. And this is not the only community that they give back to. They give back to so many different things, up and including Gloria, which was a big part of all of our lives. So I appreciate everything you guys do, and I really sincerely thank you from the bottom of my heart.
I love you.
Love you too.
All right, guys, so let's pick up the shoes and start. Unless somebody else won the lottery and wants to play.